Dear students, in this unit we will talk about a group of fungi which is known as Glomeromycetes fungi. They are grouped together in a single phylum which is known as Glomeromycota. Now, the members of phylum Glomeromycota, they are the true symbionts that form intracellular association within the roots of most trees and herbaceous plants. Now, these are actually the species descendant from the same group, means they are monophyletic group. Their ancestor is the single one, and they are true soil-borne fungi that are among the most important microorganism on earth, because without their presence the tree it is very difficult for the trees to grow properly. Now, why? Because they are very significant in a sense that they form intimate mycorrhizal association with almost 80% of the land plants, and they are believed to have a crucial role in the initial colonization of plants from water coming to the land, which means that terrestrial plants, it would have been impossible for them to colonize the land if this Glomeromycete fungi are absent. Now, when we talk about the symbiotic relationship, as you can see, the hyphae of Glomeromycetes fungi, you can see these are the hyphae. They have very important symbiotic relationship with the members of plants. In this symbiotic relationship, what happens that the roots of the plants, they provide these fungi with basic sugars, amino acids, and other organic substances, and in return this mycorrhizal fungus, they decompose organic matter which are present in the soil, and these organic matters, they are absorbed by the plants for their growth and for the production of their food. So without the presence of these Glomeromycetes fungi, it have been very difficult for the terrestrial plants to survive in the harsh or dry environment of terrestrial ecosystems. Now, these because these are the intracellular fungi, they are also known as endomycorrhizal fungi. Now, these widespread mycorrhizal fungi, they are also known as arbuscular mycorrhizae, because the hyphae inside the root cells of these trees, their structure is known as arbuscle. Now, when we talk about the arbuscles, they are actually the sites where roots of the plants and mycorrhiza of these fungi, they interact and they exchange the material which are equally beneficial to each of the members in this relationship. Now, these arbuscular mycorrhiza, they live entirely underground because they have to form the association with the roots of the plants. Now, when we talk about the reproduction, they don't have sexual reproduction cycle in them. They reproduce asexually, and they cannot survive without the presence of roots of the plants, because they absorb, or they take all basic nutrients from the roots of those plants. Their mode of reproduction is typically asexual, in which what happens that hyphae at the tip of certain hyphae, a blastic development takes place and a structure is formed which give rise to a large number of spores, which then disperse in the soil, and they grow into independent hyphae and fungal organisms.